Hello. I just wanted to go over the May the 4th be with you math challenges. And depending on which copy you got, you may or may not have gotten the corrected one. Some of you may have gotten the one with 9 down here. It is not 9, it is actually 6. So I'm sorry if you got the wrong one. But going through how to do this, so it does work like a multiplication table. So we have 2 times 3 is 6. That's where the 6 comes from. And so now every time I see that guy, I can put in a 6. And that's going to make it a lot easier to finish the table. So now here, 2 times 6. So this figure would be 12. So then when I see that figure again, I can put in a 12. And then now I have 2 times something would give me 8. I know that would be 4. And then I can move down. I see something times 3 would give me 12. And so I know that's 4, which I just did the 4 up there. And so then I can kind of check and make sure that that's right. And then for this one in the middle, I know 4 times 6 is 24. So that one would be 24. And then I have 4 times 4 is 16. So that is the product of that one. And so now we have this figure down here. So we have 6 times 3. So that would be 18. So then down here, we have that first figure is 6. We have the second figure, which is right here, which is 24. We have the next one, which is the kind of plain jet looking thing, would be 12. And then this one, which is actually a fighter plane, I think. And this one would be 16. And then we have the little robot here. He would be 18. And then we have the little big fleet ship, which is 4. And then moving on to the next one, which is similar to what you've seen before. And so now, again, we have 3 of the same figures. So we're going to add the same number 3 times to get 42. Now, this is a little bit tougher. And so I can think 3 times 10 is going to get me to 30. And then I need 12 more to get me to 42. So 3 times 4 would get me to 12. And so the 10 and the 4, 14, 3 times would be 42. So I can break that apart a little bit because figuring out 3 times what would give me 42 is a little bit tougher. So then I know that this guy would be 14. So then this equals this. So that means this is also 15 or 14, excuse me. So then if I go back up here, 14 plus what is 17, and I know that's 3. So then I can go down here. So then I know these two guys are 3. So then 3 times 3, and so this guy would be 9. And I can take all of what I have up here. So this was 14. This was 3. This was 9. So 14 plus 3 is 17, plus 9 is 26 for our grand total.